If you're looking for serious cutting power without the hassle of gas, mixing oil, or pulling a cord till your arm gives out, you're going to want to stick around for this. This is a 60-volt, 18-inch cordless chainsaw. That is a workhorse that you're going to want to look at.
Comes with 2 spare chains and 2 batteries. It's always nice to have 2. Comes with your adjusting tools and a charger, and easy changeable. You can lock it, take this plate off, unscrew it, and easily change the blades.
It features tool-free chain tensioning system.
Lightweight, not too heavy. And what I like is the 2 batteries. Really can get work done.
It also features an automatic lubrication system. You just fill the oil reservoir and the saw handles the rest, keeping the bar and the chain lubricated continuously to extend the life of your equipment and give you smoother cuts. Changing the blade is easy.
Take this off. Cover, and you can easily tighten, just unscrew here, and you can tighten the chain once you have it in the grooves, and it's nice and secure. Always with the guard.
It has great instruction manuals giving you all the details about your equipment, how to take care of it, and how to get the best use of it. It's an absolute game changer. I highly recommend this for your household property maintenance. Hope you found this helpful. Please like and follow us for more from this great brand and others like these.